Welcome back to our Hoover Cardinal 2nd Battalion vlog. So today we are covering the Golden Bear National Competition. So this competition is going to be us bringing our competitive teams, which is armed drill team, unarmed drill team, our solos, as well as our foremans, as well as entering some of our cadets to tap out. So we are very excited. It's going to be hosted at
North High School, I believe, in LA.
So wish us luck. We're hoping for good results around here. So
we're gonna be doing so much fun. There's gonna be tons of food.
So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Whatever you're missing, I don't care. That will be only push-ups. Depending on what it is you're missing, like socks, that's just 5. A beret, maybe 10. Because why did you say earlier? So anything you are missing, you guys will be only push-ups, all right? But don't say anything just because you don't want all push-ups, because that's just dumb. If you're missing something, say it, all right? That's all.
You guys calm down. It's a 2-hour drive. Study the knowledge packet. If you guys need help with it, let me know. There's a quiz on it if you guys want to. Place like I feel like
Okay, welcome back. So as you know, we're on the bus still. So we're gonna interview one of our JV ADT people. So how do you feel?
Tired. I feel unprepared.
How do you feel?
Oh, I want to go Mimi's. I want to go Mimi's.
I want to go with you.
We'll be back.
Ready? You got this.
I know I got this.